Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Nicole Lee. I'm having a great time in Las Vegas. I just had an amazing time visiting with my beautiful VIP sister, Brooke Gillespie Trout, and we had a great time. And I just wanted to show you guys the beautiful view. Hello, of Las Vegas. Is this one of the most amazing? Hi there, serving vegan. Hello. Tammy, love you, Tammy. I want to say hi to my sister, Tammy, and let you know that I love you, sending you tons of positive energy. And as we close out 2019 and close out this book, and we start writing the chapter, hello, Brooke. I was just talking about what a great time we had, and look at the beautiful view here off my balcony. I'm just so grateful for this moment to be able to capture memories, to create memories. I got to meet one of my longtime friends and VIP sisters, Brooke Gillespie Trout, and she and I had a great time. I'll be uploading some photos soon, and just want to show this beautiful view. We really do live in such a beautiful world, and we have a great time that we're alive right now. We're going to be actually seeing 2020. I mean, it's like, sounds so sci-fi. Look at the beautiful light beam here. Ooh, all the way up. The only way is up. So in my last group coaching that I talked about, I really mentioned about getting out of your comfort zone. That's where the growth is. Get out of your comfort zone. Go meet your friends. Travel if you can. You can also always take your VIP program with you. I will be doing a workout tomorrow because tomorrow is Monday and we never miss a Monday, right? So join me tomorrow at 8 a.m. If you're not a member, join. And look, let's just really enjoy this moment. I'm going to turn this camera around. Tammy, I love you. You're amazing. Yes, the lights are beautiful, right? And look, you don't need to gamble or party or drink to enjoy this beautiful twinkling jewel of a beautiful family. Just know that I am always sending you tons of positive energy. Love you guys.